Welcome back to Doing It with Tyronzia. So listen, today I'm going to show you guys just how to use Canva for your business because a lot of y'all struggling with Canva. And Canva is not that hard, right? It's really not. You just got to play with it. You got to stay on the site. You have to use it because it changes so much. You have to lock in and clock in, right? Clock in, lock in, whichever way you want to say it. So this is your best friend right here, templates. Templates is your best friend. Why? They pre-done for you. Why are we starting from scratch? Why are we starting from scratch? You doing a presentation, you doing a poster, you doing a resume, you doing an email, logo, invitation. What are you doing? Why are you starting from scratch? So a lot of y'all want to do ebooks. So right here in the search, let's do ebook. Let's do ebook template. Why not? You see all these ebook templates? You see that? But for the girls in the room that want to do the journal covers, let's do a journal template. We all like journals. We got to write our secrets somewhere, friend. We got to write our secrets somewhere. Look at all these journal templates. Okay? How cute. Most of them are very pretty, right? You just find one you like and use it, edit it. You don't have to start from scratch. You don't have to make it hard. I actually like this one. So we're going to click on it. We're going to click on this one, y'all. And we're going to do customize this template. Yep, we're going to do that. We're going to do that for you. That's what we're going to do. We're going to let it load up. That's beautiful. Now, if you got some of those cute little pictures that we all love so much, go right here to upload. Let's go to upload. And we're just waiting on everything to load up. Y'all seeing all the work I've been doing? Okay. We're going to get one of these pretty girls. We like her. We like her right here, right? So we just going to add her. And we're going to go right here to edit because half her afro is missing, child. We need her crown to be full. We're going to go right here to magic expand. And the only thing we're going to do is see them little white corners. We're just going to bring it up just enough for us to get the full afro. And we're going to select expand. And it's going to give us 4 different options, friend. And we're going to wait and we're going to have patience. So I'm looking for the cute afro. I'm not looking for all this extra stuff that they added. The cutest afro to me, I like this one. But I like this one too. So we're going to select this one. See how it filled her hair in? Filled her hair in. So, okay, we good with expand. Pretty. Now we're just going to remove the background. And what I'm going to do is... Okay. I'm going to flip her around. Yeah, I like this better. I'm going to put her right here in the corner. I'm probably going to click on transparency just so she can match the vibe. And you see a little rose right there? See a little rose? I'm going to put her about right here. I'm going to click on this rose. I'm going to right click it. I'm going to do layer. I'm going to bring it to the front of her. Because y'all know I personally don't like, I don't like the edge of stuff to be shown. So I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to right click it and we're going to do show layers. We're going to do show layers, friend. And we're going to put, I want all this stuff right here, like right here. I want this on top of her because I don't want it to have that edge on it. So we're going to put that on top of her. I'm going to click on, see where this one at right here. And we're going to bring it up on top of her. Okay. And that flower, that pretty flower right here. I want this flower. Where is it? Right here. And I'm going to bring it up on top of her as well. I'm probably going to take these and turn them. Yeah. But I want that flower. That flower is really pretty. So I want that flower on top of all of it. Yeah, right there. And I'm going to slide her probably right about here. And I'm going to put my daily thoughts. I'm going to slide this down for a second. I'm going to change this to my daily thoughts. I'm probably going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to take this, I'm going to spin it right here. Yeah. And I'm just going to make it smaller. I don't know if I like that font for real. Y'all let me know in the comments. I'm going to leave it because it's there and I'm trying to show y'all how to use mostly what's there. So. That is so cute. So, and I told y'all want to sell it. Y'all want to sell this? We want to sell it. That's pretty. I would buy this because it has a whole like vibe. It has a calmingness to it. So I would really purchase this journal. Yeah. Let me know in the comments would y'all purchase this journal or not. But let me tell y'all. Inside of my school community, yeah, I'm finna do this shameless plug. Inside of my school community, we learn how to do stuff like this every Tuesday at 7 Central Standard Time. We learn this. We learn how to take what you know and use it to generate income. We learn how to take what you know and create digital products. We learn how to take what you know and to create social media content that converts. Yeah, we just don't post for fun, baby. We post to increase our income. And I want you, friend, you girl, I want you to be a part of my community. Why not? You watch me on YouTube. When you get inside of my school community, you have direct access to me. The only thing I ask you to do once you get inside is be active, be engaged. Be serious about what you want to do with your business. And I also ask you, if you want to talk to me, do Ed Tyranzia. Because if you don't, I don't see it. I don't see nothing. But there's your journal cover. And we started from a pre-done template. We did it less than 8 minutes. And if I wasn't showing you how to do it, I would have did it in about 2 minutes top. Yeah, 2 minutes top, friend. That's all. I'm out.